Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am sharing with you all of my most used products in 2022. All of the hair products that I always went to the absolute most. Before we jump into the amazing hair products of 2022, I do want to recognize Dossier today. They are today's sponsor, and their perfumes were my most used of 2022 and probably 2021. Dossier is a luxury inspired perfume company, and it is basically all that I wear. I wear all of their fragrances. They are amazing. They are affordable, and you can find the same exact scents that you find in department stores for a fraction of the cost. My daughters use them. My mother uses them. My husband uses them. And now my daughter's boyfriend uses them. Everybody that I know, I've turned on to Dossier because they are that good. Since we are talking about the most used of 2022, this one right here, this fragrance from Dossier, is my most used by far. When people smell me, this is what they smell. This is the Ambery Saffron scent. It has notes of saffron, orange blossom, jasmine, plum, cedarwood. It smells sexy, invigorating. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This is by far my most used. I'm obsessed. I promise you, this is probably my fourth bottle of this because I do use it every day. And actually, my daughters now use the same fragrance. Really quickly, I wanted to show you how your perfume or fragrance will arrive. Comes in this little box. You get a decent size perfume or cologne. It comes with a little insert that talks all about your fragrance. This one is Aquatic Lime, and this happens to be my favorite fragrance for men. 1.7 ounces or 50 milliliters, which last a very long time. And even though you saw me spray like 12 sprays of Ambery Saffron because it's just intoxicating, you only need really one spray. This is the type of cologne or perfume that literally lasts all day long. I do have a discount code that will save you, I believe, 10% off. I'll leave everything in the description box so that you can smell good all year long and not break the bank. It's time to get into the best hair products of 2022, and I kind of decided to break this down into groups of products. We're gonna start with shampoo and conditioners, and I typically do lump these two together. So if I like a shampoo in a line, then I'm probably gonna tell you the conditioner in that line because I like to use the two together. Does that make sense? Starting with this. This is the Living Proof line. This is their Living Proof Curl Shampoo for waves, curls, and coils, and their Living Proof Curl Conditioner. These are my second bottles of this, and I have backups already. I don't know what it is about this particular line, but my hair feels so much thicker when I use this. I don't know what exactly is in this that makes it feel like that, but it does. It makes my hair feel thicker when I use these, so I tend to reach for these a lot. Next, for shampoo and conditioner, I know that this is not going to come as a surprise, but that is the Lush shampoo and conditioner. So we've got their sulfate-free shampoo, and then we have their silicone-free conditioner. These are for all curl types. These products are very, very concentrated. So what you would typically use in another line, you're probably going to use like half to a quarter of that with these products. These two will last you a very long time because they are very concentrated. My curls love this entire line, okay? But the shampoo conditioner I definitely used the most out of 2022. Now let's talk deep conditioners because, you know, sometimes a regular conditioner is not quite enough for our curls and we need a little extra help. The Lush brand Deep Condition and Repair. I love this because it is an express deep conditioner, no heat necessary. You leave it on for 5 minutes, you rinse it out, your curls are hydrated. It helps to define your curls, gives your hair all the moisture that it needs, and it's just quick. I like quick because I have a very busy schedule. So this has been incredible. This next one is probably going to take you by surprise, but this is actually by the brand Spoiled Child. And I'm not sure if this is like an affiliate brand of Il Makiage. I think it is. This deep conditioner is amazing, amazing. I don't think this one is silicone free. So if you're like curly girl method, stay away from silicone, then you're not going to like this. This makes my hair so moisturized, shiny, smells amazing. Oh my gosh, it literally smells like candy. I don't even know how to describe it, but it is so good. It is delightful. And these two deep conditioners are definitely the ones that I used the most last year. Sometimes a regular shampoo is not enough for us, and we need a little bit of a clarifying treatment. I like to do a clarifying treatment at least once a month to just get rid of any gunk, any buildup on my scalp, on my hair. Your hair's not responding to products and you don't clarify, then you probably should try to clarify your hair, just saying. My most used clarifying shampoo of 2022 is this one. This is the Bounce Curl Gentle Clarifying Shampoo. I love it because of what it's called. It's gentle. It does not strip the hair. It's got light moisture, but it is just amazing. It suds up really well. I love that product. Okay, and then the other one, I know that there's like some stuff going on with olaplex. I don't know all of the details, but this is what I used in 2022, and I want to stay true to what I used in 2022. This product right here, the Olaplex number 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. So good at clarifying the hair. This gets everything out. It's gonna help bring definition back to the hair because your hair's not being blocked by buildup. It's just so good. Clarifying your hair is so important. There's so many different hair treatments on the market. Obviously, deep conditioner can be like considered a treatment, but these two treatments right here, I definitely used multiple times. I love them both so much. And I know Olaplex, there's some stuff going on with them right now, so take this with a grain of salt. But you guys have heard me talk about this a bazillion times on my channel year after year. This is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Helps to repair and strengthen the hair, helps to repair bonds in the hair. It's a bond building treatment. So if you have color treated hair, if you have bleached hair, if you have damaged hair, it's going to help repair the hair. If you're not an Olaplex user and you have damaged hair, bleached hair, all of that, this product right here, this one we know is good. They're not under heat right now. This is the curlsmith Strength Recipe Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I've used this for several years now. It is amazing. The smell of this is like, oh my gosh, it literally smells like candy, which some people are turned off by. I personally love it. This has ingredients like pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear, pumpkin seed oil, guava, kale. It's got a lot of natural, fresh ingredients, and it does an amazing job at bringing definition and shine back to my curls. After you are done cleansing and conditioning and maybe deep conditioning and maybe doing a treatment, if your hair still doesn't have enough moisture, a lot of times I will go in with a leave-in conditioner, and my most used leave-ins out of 2022, starting with this one, Curlsmith Weightless Air Dry Cream. I love a leave-in, but I can't use a thick leave-in. It looks like I've got very thick hair, and my hair is at a very good place. Don't get me wrong, but I don't have a ton of hair. It looks like I have a ton of hair because of the curls. I can't have anything weighing down my curls. I just can't, I can't. If it weighs it down, it's a no for me. If it's too thick, it's a no for me. This weightless air dry cream, it gets rid of all of the tangles. It provides that extra boost of moisture. The next one, you guys have seen me use this so many different times. The Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. It's just amazing. It gives my hair that extra conditioning, just helps to detangle the hair. I just love it. Smells good. It's very lightweight. These two, amazing for detangling and giving your hair a little extra moisture boost before applying your styling products. Next up, let's talk about the best cream products for me in 2022. And once again, I know I sound like a broken record, but the Lust brand, they're all-in-one styler. This product was probably my most used product, like overall, of 2022. Not only is it one of my favorite cream products to use, but this is my most used product for refreshing my hair. Day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 hair, when I need a little bit of a refresh, This is the product that I use. It never fails me. It gives my hair definition. It gives my hair shine. It gives my hair the moisture that it needs. I use the one for curly hair. If you have wavy hair, they do have a wavy formula. And if you have thicker, curly, coily hair, they do have a formula for that as well. The other product that I just absolutely adored as far as curl creams go is this right here. This one is by Prose. It is their Bouncy Curls Definition and Anti-Frizz Curl Cream. It is a customized formula. So this is a customized formula for my specific curl type, my specific curl needs, down to what area I live in, what the dew point is. Like there's a whole quiz online that you can do to figure out exactly what products are best for you. But this curl cream is one of my favorites. It's very lightweight, provides all the definition. It's so good. I love it. I didn't find myself using a lot of mousse. What I found myself using was a lot of foam products. And so I'm going to share with you my two absolute favorite, the Curlsmith Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. I like to go in with this before my styling cream actually, because it is a very light product. And this gives my hair so much volume. Love this. I've been using this for several years now. It's so good. I've probably gone through 3 bottles of this in 2022. I'm almost out of this one, but I do have a backup. This is the Madison Reed Loud and Proud Volumizing Foam. Again, I like to use this before using my cream product. The way that I put on my styling product is from lightest to heaviest. So I will normally do a foam, a cream if I feel like I need a cream, and then I will go in with a gel for hold. It gives my hair tons of volume, and I've gone through multiple bottles of both of these, which means to me it's a good product. I am a gel girly. I love gel. It is what helps to make my hair last for days and days. This product right here, this was like a highlight of 2022 for me. This is the Love Your Curls Irish Sea Moss Gel. This is a medium hold. It's not a super strong hold, but it is enough to make your wash day last. It doesn't have a crunch to it. You can use this by itself and it gives amazing results, or I will use this in conjunction with the Lush styling cream, the all-in-one styling cream, followed up with the gel, and it is just beautiful. There's something about this particular gel that makes my curls look very big, bouncy, and juicy. Next up, this is the Curlsmith Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. This has a level 7 hold, okay? That's a good amount of hold, y'all. It is a weightless hold. It's not going to weigh your curls down. So if you have thinner textured hair, if you have low density hair, this is the kind of gel you want. So these two gels were the highlights for me in 2022. I typically always finish my hairstyling routine with an oil because it adds shine, helps to seal in moisture. This is the Living Proof Curl Moisturizing Shine Oil. This is silicone free. I love the little pump on this one. Smells absolutely incredible. I love things that make me smell good. My body, my hair, everything. Smith Bonding Oil. I've loved this for a hot minute. Beautiful. It's a very thin consistency. This one is a little bit thicker than this one. This is the one that I typically reach for when I'm refreshing my hair. Last but not least, 2 texture products that I love. When I say texture products, I mean products that help me to have thicker, bigger, more voluptuous volume. I love volume. And these are 2 products that I've mentioned before. This is the Paishau Texture Dust. This is like a little powder product that you just spray. You spray it into the roots of your hair. I'm not going to because I just had a fresh wash day today and I really don't need this right now. And you just kind of zhuzh it into the roots. Gives your hair like this grip at the roots, and it will give you so much stinking volume. It's crazy. And then the other product is the Sexy Hair Texture Sexy Spray. This is the High Tide Spray. This does, I believe, have alcohol in it, so it is a little bit drying. I only use this when my hair is on the struggle bus, okay? When it is feeling lifeless, when it is feeling like it needs all the help in the world. This is like my secret tool. I'll just spray a little bit on here. It is just incredible. And I'm sure through this entire video, you're probably wondering, Brandy, what do you have in your hair right now? I don't have any of those products in my hair right now, actually. I have the Curlsmith hair makeup gel in my hair. Well, actually do have the weightless air dry cream from Curlsmith. I put that in first, but I actually mixed two of the colors to get this kind of like deep purple color. It's not a product that I reach for a lot, so I didn't include it in here. But if you want a fun product, that would be my most used fun product for hair in 2022. The gel just does magical things to my curls. It gives my curls lots of volume. That is all of my favorite most used products of 2022. Let me know in the comments what your most used products were, and if it was some of these, let me know, okay? I love you guys so much, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.